Hello guys, I'm Michael and this is Brew Better. For today, I'll be brewing Marivic Dubria PCQC entry. I will be brewing this coffee using an Orea version 2 brewer. I'll use a 3-pour method with this brewer paired with a 155 Kalita paper filter at 1:15 brew ratio with a target yield of 210 mils. I'm dosing 14 grams ground to medium fine 19 clicks in a Comandante grinder. For the brewing water, I'll be using a water temperature of 99 degrees Celsius and water hardness of about 80 ppm. We'll be pouring in concentric circles till the end of the brew. For the first pour, I'll be aggressively pouring in 50 mils of water and I'll let it rest until 40 seconds. I'm adding in 110 mils for the second pour. This Philippine coffee is grown at 1,500 meters above sea level and produced by 2019 PCQC winner Marivic Dubria from Balutacay, Bansalan, Davao del Sur. As it is an anaerobic natural processed coffee, expect it to be more fruit-forward and more creamier in texture, which I really like. And for my last pour, let's add 50 mils of brew water and a light swirl of the brewer at the end. I think the brew method I'm using highlights the coffee's best features, which is its sweetness and body. And now it's done for a total brew time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Time to enjoy a good cup. On the nose, I smell raisins, red apples, and apricots. In the mouth, I taste blood orange, sugarcane, and chocolates. I recommend this coffee when you're just relaxing at home or maybe you need to take a break from work and just relax. Always remember that the best coffee is the one that you enjoy. Feel free to share with us your brewing method and experience with the coffee. Cheers and don't stop brewing.